those praise and worship sounds at the Life is Better in the Fast Lane Ministries. Thank you for joining us again. So the question is, again, who is this Jesus Christ? When Jesus said, "If you have seen me, you have seen the Father," so that means that God is a body of flesh, blood, and bones. Because that's what Jesus is. God did not become a man. He already is a man. And God did not send. He did the work himself. And thank you once again for joining us here at Life is Better in the Fast Lane Ministries. And God bless you.